Hi, I'm Gabriel Icalia Jr., one of the Yellow Diamond Director and EMC of Sante International. Before Sante, I was a shy type guy. Napaka-introvert ko, mahina yung self-confidence ko. As of now, I am so grateful kasi kung dati problema ko yung pera, ngayon hindi na, sumusobra pa yung kita ko. At kung dati, hanap ako ng isang produkto o negosyo opportunity na pwede magbago yung buhay ko, ngayon hindi na, nasolusyon na siya. Kasi hindi ko na problema yung product. Napakaganda ng produkto, napakaganda ng opportunity. And as of now, at the age of 27 years old, nagkaroon ako ng 2 sasakyan because of Sante International. Ngayon ay nasa malaking bahay na ako nakatira at maayos yung aming tahanan ngayon. At sa pinaka nagustuhan ko is nakapag-travel ako ng libre. At isa sa pinaka-memorable na travel ko is the New Zealand. Dahil napuntahan ko yung farm, napuntahan ko yung manufacturing plant natin. If you want to succeed in our business, you must be willing to pay the price. The price of discipline and commitment. Every day, I make it a point na yung habit ko towards that, yung daily consistent activity ko, is i-implement ko every day. So because of Sante products, natulungan ako na mas maging energetic, mas mataas ang vibration ko, and focus sa lahat ng aking ginagawa. I will stay on my track. I focus on my goals, on my mission in life. Then I can do more things, those things that really matters to me, like having more time on my family. Sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko, nagsisimula pa lang ang Sante International. Kahit napakarami ng tao na tulungan sa Pilipinas nito, nakikita ko 5 to 10 years from now, mas marami pa tayong ma-reach na taong pwedeng tulungan when it comes to wealth and their health. With Sante, I can live more, do more. To know more about Sante, visit our website and follow our social media channels.